Hello everyone, welcome to episode number 6 of Local SEO series. In this video, I will explain step by step and guide you about creating location specific landing pages. So let's dive into the video. So, creating location specific landing pages. First of all, what are location specific landing pages? Let's begin with the basics. Location specific landing pages are individual pages on your website dedicated to a specific city, neighborhood, or region you serve. Each pages focus on the products or services you offer in that specific location. This helps search engines understand where you operate and shows you your relevance to local customers. Next word is, why do location specific landing pages matter for local SEO? Now, why should you care about creating location specific landing pages? Here's why. Number one is visibility. When people search for a service in a specific location, having a dedicated page can improve your chances of appearing in local search results. Number two is relevance. It helps search engines understand that your business serves that area, boosting your local relevance. And number three, targeted audience. It allows you to create content tailored to that audience, improving the user experience and conversion rates. So the next part is how to create location specific landing pages. So let's walk through the steps to create location specific landing pages that are optimized for local SEO. So first of all, number one is step is choose your target locations. The first step is to decide which locations you want to target. If you are a local business serving multiple areas, make a list of the cities or neighborhoods that are most important to you. Second, if you have a border service area, you can create location pages for each city or even specific neighborhoods. Step number 2 is use local keywords in your title tags and meta descriptions. Next, optimize your title tags and meta descriptions with local keywords. For example, if you are a plumber in Dhaka, make sure your title tag says plumber in Dhaka, XYZ plumbing services. These elements tell both search engines and users what your page is about and help improve your rankings for local searches. The step number 3 is include location specific content. Now, it's time to create the content for your landing page. Include specific details about the location you are targeting. This could be local landmarks, neighborhoods you serve, or even local events. For example, on your plumber in Dhaka page, mention the areas you serve, provide customer testimonials from that area, and added location-based keywords like emergency plumbing service in Dhaka. Step number 4, use local images and media. Don't forget to add location specific images. This can be picture of your team working in that area, local landmarks, or photos related to your service in that city. These visuals make your landing page feel more local and relevant to the people in that area, which can also help with user engagement. Step number 5 is create localized call to action buttons. Tailor your call to action CTA buttons to the location. For example, instead of just saying contact us, try book a plumber in Dhaka now or get a free estimate for Dhaka plumbing services. A localized CTA can increase conversions by directly appearing to the specific location you are targeting. Step number 6, added location specific testimonials and reviews. Testimonials and reviews are important for building trust. Include customer testimonials from the specific location you are targeting. This adds social proof and shows that you're a trusted business in that area. Include these location based reviews will also help search engines associate your business with that area, improving your local SEO. Step number 7, optimize for local SEO signals. NAP. Make sure your NAP, name, address, phone number, is consistent and visible on each landing page. This is crucial for local SEO. Consistent NAP across your website and directories tells search engines that you are a legitimate business operating in that area or in that location. So, recap. Let's summarize. Location specific landing pages are crucial for local SEO because they help search engines understand where your business is located and allow you to target a specific audience in different areas. A quick tip, don't duplicate content across your location pages. Make each page unique to the area, focusing on what makes the location special. Avoid copy pasting the same content for different cities. And that's it for today's episode. Now you know how to create and optimize location specific landing pages that will help you rank for local searches. Start creating these pages and watch your local visibility improve. Thanks for watching.